Namaste. I am Govinda Vishwas, a teacher of Vivekananda Nagar, Vivekananda High School, Higher Secondary in the district of Nadia, West Bengal, India. Today I will read Tales of Bhola Kanpa from the textbook of class 9. At first, we should know something about the author, Manoj Das. Manoj Das, the author of this story Tales of Bhola Kanpa, was born on 27th February in 1934 at the coastal and remote village of Shakhari in the district of Balasore or Baleshwar in Odisha. He has written many short stories, poems, novels, travelogues and articles in English and Odissi. He was a professor of English literature in a college in Pondicherry. He has been awarded with many awards like the Central Sahitya Academy Award, Odisha Sahitya Academy Award, Padma Shri honor and Padma Bhushan honor. Now we will know about the story. In this story there is a central figure. His name is Bhola Kanpa, that means grandfather Bhola. He is a very forgetful minded man. He lived at the western part of the narrator's village. There was a bokal tree overshadowing the house of Bhola Kanpa. There were a troop of monkeys on the tree, but Bhola Kanpa did not mind anything about it. One day, the narrator went to a village festival with his father. Bhola Kanpa with his grandson also went to that village fair or village festival. It was moonlit night. They were coming back home. Suddenly, Bhola Kanpa started to cry. All the persons in the group who were returning home from that village fair were startled. Investigation going on. The narrator's father came to learn that Bhola Kanpa, who also went to the village fair with his grandson, has lost his grandson. For fear of losing his grandson, Bhola Kanpa was holding his grandson's finger. Suddenly, his grandson slipped out of his hand and went to somewhere. But Bhola Kanpa was holding something just like this. And he thought that his grandson was with him. After some time, someone asked him what he was holding tight with his hand. At that very moment, Bhola grandpa could remember that he went to the graveyard with his grandson, and he began to wail. Some far-sighted young men were sent to find out his grandson. After some searchings, it was found that his grandson, that means Bhola Dadu's grandson, Bhola grandpa's grandson, was sitting under a cow's belly. It is one of the story. There are 3 stories in this text, the tales of Bhola grandpa. The second story is like this. One day, Bhola grandpa told the narrator's father that he observed a gang of pirates. The pirates were hiding a small box under the sand dune on the shore, on the seashore. Then the narrator's father thought that there might have been some valuable jewelries or valuable metals. So they tried their utmost to find out if there was some valuable jewelries in that box. They continued their digging till midnight, but there was no such jewelry or no such precious metal. At that moment, Bhola grandpa told the narrator's father that he actually did not notice the pirates. He saw them. He saw the pirates in his imagination. It was a daydream or reverie. This is the second story. And the third story is, in those days, Royal Bengal tigers would roam about here and there in the Sundarbans. One day, our Bhola grandpa went to Sundarbans. He was returning home after the weekly market. Suddenly, he could hear the growl of a Royal Bengal tiger just behind him. He was panicked. Immediately, he climbed up a nearby tree. But the Royal Bengal tiger roared and roared and roared. But the Royal Bengal tiger went nowhere. The Royal Bengal tiger settled in a nearby bush all the night long. In the next morning, Bhola grandpa got down from the tree and he went to a group of people. He told them to give some water to drink. One of the people in that group noticed that very Royal Bengal tiger in that bush. And that man informed our Bhola grandpa of the Royal Bengal tiger. On hearing the name of the Royal Bengal tiger, Bhola grandpa was panic stricken and immediately he ran to his house. This was the third story. After 50 years, our Bhola grandpa died at the age of 95. Then his wife, who was 80 years of age, began to lament, and Bhola grandpa's wife told everyone that Bhola grandpa might have forgotten to breathe, and for this reason Bhola grandpa died. This is the summary of the story Tales of Bhola grandpa. Okay, my dear students, you have to practice. Here are some kinds of questions like MCQ, that means multiple choice questions, VSAQ, very short answer type questions, SAQ, short answer type questions, cause and effect questions, fill in the chart questions, etc. Now, lockdown period is going on. You should read the books, all of your books, again and again. If you read this text, Tales of Bhola grandpa, again and again, you will form a concrete idea, and then you will be able to solve any kind of questions from this text. Okay? May God bless you.